Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. Now it's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI, SEL DSG, 115 PS. The car is fantastic and it's got a good spec as well, including an anti-lock braking system, a forward collision warning system, hill hold control, a city emergency brake, front and rear parking sensors, a driver alert system, and that's to go along with these 16-inch Minas alloy wheels. The boot's a good size as well. It comes with a jack and toolkit and a full-size spare wheel. The interior has 2-zone climate control, Volkswagen Connect, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.